living your life.
Hi, I'm Principal Pete Loncarevich from Southern Oregon Lotus Club. I'm a 3rd degree Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu black belt. Today I'm here to demonstrate a self-defense technique we use here at the Lotus Club in our women's self-defense class. My daughter Madison will be helping me demonstrate this technique today. Okay, I am in the full mount position. Both of my hands are clasped around her neck. The first thing she's going to do is to connect her chin down to her chest. Then she's going to trap over to the top of my arm. She's going to grab my tricep with her left hand. She's going to trap the whole left side. So she's got the foot trapped on my foot, and then she is trapping my whole arm so I can't pull it off of her body. The next thing she's going to do, she's going to push off her heels up off the floor and get her hips up to off balance me. Now she's going to use her elbow and to roll over her left shoulder. When she comes up, she's going to sit really close with posture. She's going to pummel on the insides of my biceps and push me straight down to the floor and continue with her posture. Now we will show you at real-time speed.
Celebrate living your life.
Hi, I'm Madison Loncarevich, and I teach the kids class here at the Lotus Club. Today my brother Cedric and I are going to be demonstrating how to block a punch and then finish the move with